Psalm 119, verse 16. I enjoy your love. I will not forget your word.
Psalm 139, verse 14a.
Psalm 139, verse 48. I praise you because of the wonderful way you created me.
Philippians chapter 4, verse 13.
Philippians chapter 4, verse
13.
13.
When you go to school, you say magandang
I can
hapon.
do everything to Christ who strengthens me.
Very good. John chapter 14, verse 15.
John chapter 14, verse 15.
Wow! You say magandang.
If you love me, you will do as I command.
Very good.